Thread Stack Bootcamp for Bruno Part 3. So Bruno, check this out. I did a little bit more research to see what is working and what's not. A couple of things that I discovered in my research is, believe it or not, there is a way that we could create a fire-looking offer and make this offer stand out and more likely converting. So what I mean by that is you have already been exploring the drop shipping model and have been exploring RV, mom's model, and several other things that I showed in presentation, in a YouTube presentation. But check this out. I did discover a way for how to create a winning how to we have a winning offer. Once we have a winning product, I found a way for how to increase our chances of that product being purchased. Now, this is a very effective way of presenting product using certain extensions in Shopify. And you could also probably just reproduce the same type of user interface in our Freedom Fusion System CRM. But most likely, well, depending on how it goes, we could do this in Shopify as well. But let's try to reproduce this UI in Go High Level in Freedom Fusion System CRM. So this way, we could have a bunch of upsell offers and a bunch of the actual product. So the way it looks like, it's just like a sales page description that has a beautiful kind of image explanation about the product, that kind of stuff. But also it includes kind of buy now, buy one free, buy two now and get two free, buy now and get extra, the best way I'm going to go ahead and describe you and give you an example. So, for example, let's say let's say you started doing research and you found a mosquito spray, and it represents a problem. A lot of people struggling with mosquitoes, and it represents a very kind of a big problem for some people, especially in mid-states where they're looking to spray. They're trying to spray themselves because they don't want to be bitten. So anyway, the bottom line is it's a mosquito mosquito bottle. So let's say we're trying to sell that mosquito bottle and we want to make a lot of money with that. And of course, to make that happen, what you want to do, Bruno, you want to create a sales page that shows that mosquito bottle. And of course, you already know from all the automations that you have been building so far, that allows us to quickly create kind of a good looking image that shows the product, that shows a bunch of other stuff, and make it all automated. Of course, you already know how to do that. You've seen some of Andy's automations. You have carried them over already into, you already productionalized them, and we have some of those automations. And if not, revisit them and try to accelerate this automation to make sure that we could quickly create beautiful offers within images directly from N8N using conversational style bot. So this way in Telegram, we could just say, hey, you know what? We are trying to sell some mosquito spray. Go ahead and create a beautiful image describing the whole product, et cetera, that kind of stuff. And then you could and then it would go ahead and generate it, and then we have it good to go and have everything kind of packaged in. So this is a very small part, but it's still nevertheless one of those parts. And thank you guys for joining. My name is Ron Wells. I'm quickly having the part 3 workshop. Thank you guys for joining and allocating a little bit of your time. I'm describing part 3 of Thread Stack Digital Power Bundle workshop for Bruno. Bruno is our feudal hustler, and he's a brand manager. So as you have probably seen me do, you've seen me create previous workshops for Bruno, providing Bruno all the necessary instructions to make a colossal amount of money together. And that's what we do. Together we help moms over 40 and other kind of side hustlers spawn money. What we do, we discover incredible business models and we operationalize them. We put them in action. And right now what I'm talking about is a dropshipping business model. Part of that dropshipping business model involves finding a very good product, winning product, and creating a sales page and creating and creating the type of offer that would actually resonate with other people quickly and maximize the chances of those other people buying the product. So what I'm describing right now for Bruno is how to pull this off and how to do so quickly. And just keep something in mind, guys, if you wanted to do something like this, don't get stuck for like 7 hours trying to create a product and then wonder and ponder like why things didn't work. Well, congratulations, you just, instead of going to the next winning product and can do continuous testing, you just spent 7 hours creating a sales page when you could have been doing testing and iterating to the next product. And of course, in my bootcamp, you will find a supplier. That supplier is going to send them the product. This is not outdated dropshipping model that you hear about on the internet, that where you have low margins, where you just run broke. This is actual model that makes millions of dollars for some people I know. And those are the same people where I'm learning this information